In this module, we will learn about the basic ideas of Marxism. There are two basic concepts regarding Marxism. One is known as proletariat, that is meant to the working class or the labor class, and the other concept is of bourgeois, that is the rich class, the wealthy class of society that owns the means of production. The history is based on class struggle. There are feudalists, capitalists, socialists, and then there is a communism. We see that how the feudal lords used to monopolize the social system. And then there was a capitalism. There is another form of feudalistic background that own the economic resources from the world stage, and they do have the notion of maximization of profits and not giving the fruits of surplus value to the labor class. But socialism promoted the social ownership and was more inclined to give the surplus value, to distribute the surplus value among the proletariat. And that is communism, which believes in intervention of the state in market forces. And this is known as the ultimate goal of society, that it is the state which is going to determine every force in the society. In the 19th century, workers were exploited by the capitalist class. Long working hours, poor working conditions, low wages. Marx aimed to replace the system because it was against the welfare of the labor class. He advocated the idea of proletarian revolution because he was of the opinion that proletariat have to emerge as a force against the cruelties or high-handedness of the capitalist class. He predicted that capital system will be overthrown in the Western Europe because of its cruel values. Dictatorship of workers would be there, who would own all the businesses. Alienation, sense of powerlessness, isolation, meaninglessness, feeling of being oppressed, disliking, or death killing, no sense of ownership and attachment with the product. All these attributes creates alienation among in the proletariat class. This slide gives a very clear-cut picture that how basic ideals of Marxism would work in the society. You can see that there is a wealth created by labor class. There's a huge accumulation of wealth, and you can see the size of the capitalist class, that how fat they are, because they are eating everything out of that proletariat class and really taking advantage of their sweat. And what they are giving, that's very low amount in response, which is not fulfilling the basic needs and demands of the proletariat class or the working class. Bourgeois enslave the proletariat class through exploitative economic policies. Beliefs, values, culture, and ideology of the society is determined by the elite class. Gap between haves and have-nots is increasing. Globalization has contributed to the expansion of capitalism all around the world. Proliferation of capitalism across borders is going on because they believe in only one thing, that is maximization of profit at the cost of the health and other prospects of the poor class. They are not ready to pay back to the proletariat class if even they are taking their surplus time to boost their business.